I'm in Barney's. I had to pick up my medicine, and I came across a coochie board. Then I made a coochie board, a shark coochie board, because no one can say charcuterie. Hey y'all, hey, it's me, Coco Jelly, your kindred spirit, and I just had surgery, hernia surgery. Everything went so much better than last summer when I got my stomach removed. My stomach just a little sore. I got one of these binder things on it. I didn't push that button. What she talking about? They gave me some apple juice. Gave me some apple juice to drink. Graham crackers to eat. Twist the stomach. I had a cup of coffee there. I'm so sleepy. The anesthesia don't wall. I'm just sleepy. I need to get to the bathroom. So hopefully I can get up and walk on my own. I'm gonna put my clothes on. Alright, so after I get dressed, my husband's gonna leave. I'm gonna find me some more coffee and get me something to eat. But for now, I think I need to use the restroom. I don't think I need the nurse assistant. Babe, can you help me? Can you help me, please? I just need you to, so my feet can come down, I can touch the floor. So I can get up use the restroom. Maybe it's on the side.
No, you better ease up with it.
Well, hold on. Oh, damn. Bigger room. Yeah. Damn.
Yep.
That's in the bathroom. Man, I missed my turn.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, I'm eating graham crackers. Well, you want a graham cracker? I got another pack of graham crackers. You want to eat? Come on, baby. You want apple juice? You want the club crackers, huh? No graham crackers. I do feel lightheaded. I feel a little lightheaded.
I'm already good, huh? All right. Okay, you falling and can't get up.
Crackers suck all the mush out. You ain't got nothing? Oh, I got apple. I need so bad. The storage low on this phone, so video's over. Better. I can't even talk right. I'll see y'all later when I'm doing a whole lot better. I'm in Barney's. I had to pick up my medicine, and I came across a coochie board. Then I made a coochie board, a shark coochie board, because no one can say charcuterie. Alright, I done made it home and I put my head bonnet on. I did go by Barney's to try to get my medicine, but for that, so I'm going to go to Barney's now. But right now, I'm going to just chill out and I may or may not record, but I might go live. But I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. The surgery was a success. Just a little sore.